see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
okay. They're nice. Because I tried them before, they taste so good. This one's strawberry, this one's a blueberry, oh not blueberry, that's one is pomegranate, and this one's the apple.
Good morning guys! Today is Saturday, October 30. And mamaya merong activity gagawin yung mga bata. Kasi Halloween bukas, di ba? Ngayon pinapagawa ko sa kanila ay maglaro na sila ng PS4 kasi mamaya hindi sila makakapag PS4. Kasi pag Saturday guys, PS4 day talaga nila. And since may gagawin sila mamaya, hindi sila makakapaglaro. So ngayon ko na sila pinapalaro habang maaga pa. And since updated yung vlog ko, i-insert ko na rin tong aking pa-promo guys. Kasi hanggang November 1 lang siya. So kung ma-upload ko siya mamaya, may 2 days pa kayo para ma-avail kung gusto nyo lang naman. And kung bukas ko siya ma-upload, 1 day na lang. Kasi yung aking vlog, kung napanood nyo na yung vlog natin na nag-take over sale, may part 2 yun. So mamaya ko yung na-upload. So baka eto bukas. So may 1 day na lang kayo na ma-avail yung ating pa-promo sa aking curry shop. So ipakita ko lang sa inyo to. Eto, 2 months ko na silang ginagamit. Eto yung N Plus Clear Toner. Ano siya ngayon guys, naka 50%. Dati, ano siya, $19.64. Ngayon, $9.81 na lang siya. So, yan. And yung aking very, very love na cushion. Ito yung Lights, Camera, Action. Ito yung shade niya ay 02 Natural. Naka 50% din siya. Dati siyang $25.30. Ngayon, naka $12.65 na lang siya. And yung kanyang refill, meron din siyang refill. Dati ano siya, $13.80. Ngayon, $6.92 na lang siya. And, eto yung aking favorite din na lip tint na tattoo. Naka-ano lang siya guys, naka-sale din siya. Dati siyang $14.38. Ngayon, $10.96. $10.96. 24% lang siya. Sobrang ganda nito. Mag-order ako nito kasi, ayan, kunti na lang siya. Ilang gamit na lang to, 2 or 3 kasi talagang sobrang kino-cover ko yung lips ko pag ginagamit ko to. So, yan na lang yung aking lip tattoo. So, mag-order ako nito. And, yung aking, nasan yung aking, dinala ko yun yung ating, ito yung cream, yung M Plus cream. Ano na lang siya guys, naka 50% din siya. Dati siyang $18.40. Ngayon, $9.20 na lang siya, guys. Ito, kung sensitive ang skin nyo, magugustuhan nyo tong M Plus na to. Gamit na gamit ko na siya. Ayan, 2 months siya. Mahigit 2 months din. 2 months. Meron pa siyang, siguro kunti na lang. Siguro mga 2 gamit ko na lang to. Pero kung matipid naman kayo, maglalast pa to sa inyo ng matagal. Kasi sa akin, ginagamit ko rin siya sa neck, kaya ayan, gamit na gamit siya. Ito yung 30 ml. Meron nitong 50 ml. So, yan guys. Sobrang ganda nito. And yung aking Super Love. Itong, pa lang siya. Mahigit 1 month ko pa lang siya nagagamit. Ito yung Madagascar na Centella Ampule. Ayan. Konti pa lang yung nagagamit ko. Pero twice a day ko siya ginagamit, guys. And super love ko to kasi very light. Kung sensitive ang skin nyo, wala siyang amoy. Para sa akin, wala siyang amoy. Kaya sobrang ganda niya. And, yeah, I like it. And kung meron kayong ibang ginagamit na ampules or serum, maganda siyang patungan. Kasi very light lang siya. Etong unahin tapos yung iba nyo pang serum. So, eto nasa 100 ml pala to. Oh, yeah, 100 ml. Tama ba? Yeah, basta ito yung pinakamalaking bottle. Wala naman yatang maliit nito. So, sobrang ganda nito. Lalo na kung sensitive yung skin nyo. Ngayon, wala pa akong skincare, guys. As in, naghimuta. Kung sabi ko, naghimuta lang ako. And, ayan yung skin natin. Ito yung mga ginagamit ko. And, meron din akong, sa inyo na hindi ko na-update. Ito yung aking Kasaj Lifting Stick. Ito, Hindi ko to sinabay sa promo kasi hindi ko siya ganun ka gusto. Gusto ko rin naman siya sa side na ibang side, sa ibang part. And meron naman akong ibang part na hindi ko siya masyadong gusto. So, eto, nung ginagamit ko siya, hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. Kaya, konti pa lang yung ating bawas dyan. Nung ginagamit ko siya, para siyang kahugis, dinala ko dito. Kahugis siya ng aking gua siya. Ayan. Kahugis siya, guys, oh. Ayan, pang-massage kasi, 'di ba? So kaya ano siya, maganda siya kasi sobrang nakaka-relax siya pang-massage. Ang hindi ko lang gusto sa kanya, nabulol na tayo. Ang hindi ko lang gusto sa kanya ay yung kanyang yung malagkit. Sobrang lagkit niya pag ginamit mo siya. Hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin sa umaga. Panggabi lang talaga to. At kung naka-aircon ka. Kasi sobrang lagkit niya, guys. As in, very waxy. Meron siyang maganda siya kasi meron siyang instant lifting talaga. Pero dapat, hindi lang 100. Mga ilang beses. Hindi ko na makikita nyo. So, instant lang naman kasi kung mayroon kayong yung, alam nyo na, nagsiswell yung yung panga nyo, tapos gusto nyo mayroong cream, ito yung gamitin nyo. Pero kung gusto nyo tipid, ito na lang, bili na lang kayo ng gua siya. Pero kung gusto nyo meron ng product sa mukha, ito yung gamitin. Kasi para siyang isa lang na meron ng yung lifting tool, tapos ang tawag dito, product sa mukha. So, ito ang bilhin nyo. Mahal to sa lahat ng products ng Caris. Ito yung pinakamahal sa shop ko. Ito ay nasa 30 plus. Check ko lang ha. Nasa 30 plus ata to si lifting. Ito si Cassage. Nasa siya, 30. Wait lang guys, tingnan ko lang. Okay. Ngayon, naka 4% discount siya. Dati siyang $34, 50 ngayon, $33 na lang. Kung gusto nyo lang naman itry ang mga to guys, punta kayo sa aking Caris shop kasi hanggang November 1 na lang yung aking pa-promo. Except dito, hindi siya naka-promo. Pero may konti siyang discount. Ngayon, hindi pa ako nakapaghilamos, guys. Ito yung skincare ko kagabi. Ito naman, lagi yung ginagamit ko sa ngayon. Kasi gusto ko silang ubusin. Ayan yung skin natin. Wala pa tayong hindi pa ako naghihilamos. Yung skincare ko pa yung kahapon. Diba? Parang glowy siya. So, yan yung effect sa akin. Again, depende yung reaction ng mga ginagamit natin sa sarili nating skin. Kasi iba-iba naman yung skin type natin. Okay? That's enough. You're gonna wreck our couch. Tanghali na guys. Nakapag-skincare na tayo. Nakapag-cushion, nakapag-lip tattoo, lahat ng mga ginamit ko sa mukha ko, ililib ko lahat ng mga links down the description box. Kasi nga, naka-promo sila hanggang November 1. And, magluluto na tayo ng lunch. And si Kuya, request niya to, nilang lahat. And kanina, diba?
Do you have to put water in it?
Yes, Kuya.
I'll go do it.
Okay.
Ma, is
Lagyan
it
ni Kuya
cold?
ng tubig.
Is it cold?
Yeah. And eto, diba kanina nakita nyo, nagbabackflip doon. And si Jen, nakita nyo rin nandito na siya. Karating niya lang, galing work. And ngayon sinara niya yung pinto kasi magnanap siya kasi maaga siya nag-work guys. Mga 2:30 in the morning. So magnanap siya. And, not that one, Baba. Get water there. There, Baba. So, lutuan ko lang sila ng lunch and gagawin namin yung activity. Magde-decorate tayo dito yung mga pinag-shopping natin kahapon. Ilalagay natin dito kasi gusto dito ni Olo. Pero si Kuya gusto sa labas. So, we'll see. Baka bukas ilabas ko rin sila. Pero ngayon, i-decorate natin siya dito kasi may gagawin yung mga bata. Yeah. Okay. I-microwave ko lang naman to eh. Ito na pala yung hotdog. Mahina lang yung boses ko kasi si Jan tulog. Eto, ikat natin to. Eto yung binili ko kahapon namin ni Holly na watermelon. Ikat ko yan para meron silang fruit. Tapos ko na palang ikat yung watermelon and sobrang tamis niya. Sobrang tamis. Yung iba ilalagay ko sa wrap. Eto ilalagay ko dun sa table nila. So, pakainin na natin yung mga bata. Ayan na sila. May kanya-kanya silang sauce. Merong Filipino, yung UFC, tsaka...
Filipino sauce. That's
I mean,
my best one.
yes. And si Kuya Mustard. And si Holly. Naka-ready siya mamaya para sa gagawin namin. Naka-ballerina outfit. Kasi black. Wala siyang ibang black eh. Gusto niya mag-black. Kasi gusto niya nga parang, alam mo yun, parang witch daw siya. Oh, Isaac. Okay, si Kuya Mustard talaga. Okay, say
That's
ka.
actually healthy.
Oh, alright. Okay. Narinig niyo yung guys? That's actually healthy. Yeah, that sauce. No, not the hot dog. Okay, say kain. Kain. Australian hot dog. Okay, kain muna sila. And ako naman yung kakainin ko ay, ayun, kumukulo na yung aking tubig. Sobrang na-miss ko na to. Ito yung ramen. Tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ito. So, ito yung lunch ko. So, kain muna kami. And mamaya, gagawin na namin yung activity namin. So, mamaya na lang ulit. Kain muna tayo, guys. And yung rice pala. Yun na yung sinain ko kagabi, yung binili namin na rice. Masarap. Gusto ni Kuya TJ yung rice. You like the rice, yeah? Gusto ni Kuya yung rice. Lahat naman sila. Rice is life. Okay. Kumukulo na siya. Kain muna kami. And ako, lutuin natin yung aking ramen. Naluto na yung ramen ko. Kanina pa pala kami tapos kumain. Ano na, 3:05 na. Si Jan tulog pa din. Hindi pa kami makakilos dito sa ano. Kasi baka magising si Jan. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay, i-prepare ko na yung mga gagamitin ng mga bata. Gagawa tayo ng mga, konti lang naman, Halloween treats. And yung bigas, ayun, hindi pa siya na ilalagay sa lalagyan kasi si Jan ang gagawa niyan. Siya yung maglalagay sa container. So, kukunin ko yung celery. Ito, isa lang naman. Kasi gagamit tayo ng celery. Ano inay dito. So, tayo na isa. So, hatiin ko lang siya sa maliliit. Maliliit ko ito. So, i-prepare ko lang and mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo. Okay, guys? Kasi hindi naman ako makapagsalita ng maayos. Kasi nga, si Jan tulog. So, wait lang. So, nilabas ko na yung ating, ito, binili namin ito kahapon ni Holly. Ito yung food color gel black. Dalawa nito. Ayan, dalawang black. And, dalawa to. Nasa kayong isa? Dalawa din na red. Ano siya? Ganito yung itsura niya. Tube. Para madali lang kaysa mag-melt pa ko ng yung lollies, yung candy na mini-melt. So, ito na lang binili ko para madali lang para sa mga bata. And para hindi rin messy. So, dalawa to. Hanapin ko yung isa. Nasaan kaya? And meron tayong cheese steak. Gagamitin din natin to para sa ating Halloween treats. And eto, meron din tayong Oreo. Wala sila yung ano, yung feeling orange. Wala sila. Maganda sana yun, pero wala. So, ayan, dalawa na lang nito. Pero hindi naman nila ito mauubos gamitin. So, siguro isa lang. So, sabi na ni Holly, just in case, mayroon tayong reserva. And, meron tayong kisses. May tira pang kisses. Gagamitin natin itong kisses and yung mini M&M's. And yung orange, banana, kasi gagamitin ko rin yun. So, hiwain ko na siya para ready na para mamaya sa mga bata. Kasi ano na guys, 3:20 na. Tulog pa rin si Jan. Hindi pa kami makagalaw ng mga bata. So, i-prepare ko lang to para madali na lang mamaya. At para hindi rin kami gabihin gumawa nito at mag-decorate. So, gawin ko lang to saglit. Okay. Bago ko pala hiwain yung ating celery, kumukuha ako ng mga ganito ba, hibla. Kasi gagamitin natin siya mamaya. Inaano ko lang siya dito ba sa gilid. Tinatanggalan ko lang siya ng ganyan. Ayan, para makakuha tayo nitong string na to. Kasi mamaya, gagamitin natin yan. Pag naging successful yung plano natin. So, yan lang. Siguro tama na to. Okay na siguro to. And ngayon, hiwain ko siya ng Tanggalin ko to. Siguro ganito kahaba. So, ganyan lang kahaba. Tapos, hatiin pa natin. So, mamaya, siguro, babawasan ko yun. Depende, we'll see. Kasi gagawa tayo ng pumpkin. So, ito yung parang, ng pumpkin. Basta mamaya, makikita nyo na lang. Yung orange pumpkin natin.
Be selfish with you. I only want to see the truth. I want to eliminate the.
Can you open first? Great, it is new. And can you get me orange, please? Maybe one.
I want to eliminate the unnecessary. My vision's never been so clear. You've arrested my attention. All the focus is on you. Doesn't matter what's around us.
Are you using that one?
No.
Can I put that one?
This one?
Yeah. You take
Guys.
that other one.
Huh?
That one.
Merong basag na Oreo. Gustong kainin ni All Things
My
Holly.
favorite.
So, eto na yung aking mga na-prepare. Hindi pa siya tapos. Etong mini M&M's ilalagay ko dito. Tapos yung kisses dito din. So, para mamaya, madali na lang para sa kanila. Si kuya pala guys, nakatulog na. Kakahintay.
Cause baby, you've got me blind too.
Isa, ready na?
anything we want.
Are you ready?
Copy.
Huh? You have to copy what I'm gonna do, or I'm gonna give you a sample, and you're gonna do it. You and TJ and Holly, okay?
Sleep.
Yeah, I know. Kuya TJ sleep. And, eto mamaya ko na ito buksan kasi baka mag-melt. And, yung kisses din. Mamaya na rin to.
I didn't know they were golden.
Papa, be quiet. Because it's almond. Mamaya ko na rin ito bubuksan kasi mag-melt siya. And meron pala akong binili sa Cheap as Chips na roll it the ice. Ano? Share to them, my papa. Share to them.
With popcorn. Especially good. Stinky eyeballs. The marshmallows.
Is it marshmallow?
Right.
No. So, binili ko itong eyeballs. Napakita ko ba ito sa inyo? Ayan. Yan. So, gagamitin din natin itong pang-decorate. Saan mo?
What is it? Oh, why you take it?
Hmm?
Not one.
Try na misa. Oh, what's the smell?
That smells yummy.
Smells so good. Nagdadalawang isip akong kunin to kasi parang
Did you say Let's do it.
ito yung itsura niya guys. Oh.
Can we try?
Okay, try daw nila. Okay.
I
One
want to-
each. Be quiet. Be quiet because daddy's gonna wake up. Show what you got. What color?
I got red.
Ah, both of you.
Do you want to get red?
Look at your teeth, Papa. It's all black from Oreo. Kinain niya yung may basag kasing isang Oreo. That's enough. One only. This is for later.
You try one.
What it tastes like? You don't know?
I can't taste it because
Quiet.
Well, I can't taste it because I don't the audio.
Ang bango. Napaka fruity.
Yeah, it smells fruity.
Oh,
Smell-
napaka ano niya.
But it smells like
Sige.
strawberries.
Yeah, try ko nga. Para siyang gummy. Sarap.
I feel like it's a real eyeball.
Sarap siya ha. Experience dito.
So, gracia.
Ilagay natin dito. Help mommy. Zach, help mommy. Para may magawa sila. Open it. Help mommy opening this lollies. Make sure you put in here, not there, okay?
Hey, can we smell?
You can smell. You always smell. Put the wrapper here.
No, tomorrow's lolly day. No, tomorrow's lolly day.
Tomorrow? Yes.
Lolly
It's lollies day.
Where's my...
We're gonna have... Here, Baba, that's enough. That's enough. Here, I got it here.
Ooh, let me feel the
Okay,
blue.
that's enough for
I
now.
think this one is
Because we're not gonna
blueberry.
use all of them, I think.
I think this one is blueberry.
And eto, buksan na rin natin to. Where's the other one? Where's the rest?
If that's enough, I'm just gonna eat this one.
No, you're not gonna eat it.
All those other people, all those other people, you're my home in the middle of all those other people. I'm resting.
Gising na siya. Good afternoon, Han. Kukuha saan siya ng Oreo. Sabi ko, huwag siya kukuha ng Oreo. Okay, si Kuya naman yung hinihintay namin na gumising. Si Sassy, ulit takot siya dyan sa mask na yan, oh.
Did I have hot dogs?
Yeah, we had lunch.
Ah, exactly.
Don't, Zachary, kasi natatakot si Holly. Kuya, si Kuya na lang yung hinihintay natin. Gising na yung amo. Si Kuya naman. Alright. Ay, mauubos na ang M&M's. Okay. Gisingin natin si Kuya. Tulog talaga siya. Gisingin natin. Kuya, come on. Ay, nako, come on. Anong oras na? Mag-alas 4 na. Oops. Kinuha ko yung table na, ito yung foldable na table.
Wait, we used
Gagamitin natin to dito. Dito sila maggagawa ng Halloween treats. And ito, excuse me, Baba.
to... Hey, guys.
Lagay muna natin. Si Kuya ginising ko na. Yeah. Come on. Oh, excuse me.
Hey, guys.
So, ilagay lang natin tong table.
Wait, we used to have that table for mukbang.
Mukbang. That's right. Mukbang. Tama. Mukbang nga.
Now that's very wrong.
Oh. Aray. Aray. Si Sak nandun sa trampoline. Nagtatalo na naman siya dun. Okay. Maybe half ng babo. Okay. Wait, baby ko. Wait lang.
What are you?
Oh, this is very low. Maybe I'm gonna double it. Baba.
Double it? Look, whoa, it's so low.
Okay. Help mommy. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, inano lang natin siya. Pinold na half. Okay.
Whee!
Hi, Sak.
Hi.
And we're gonna put eto si who's this? Holly? Ghost. Ilagay lang natin dito si Ghost. Oh. May sabitan na si Ghost agad-agad. Hindi tayo pahirapan. Madali lang tayong mag... Ayun na si Sak. Ayan na si Sak, oh. Yan na si Saki boy. Hoy, Sak, careful ah. Yan na siya, oh. Tumakbo siya.
I feel the chair.
Okay.
Mom,
Yes?
want to put that one outside?
Which one? Gusto ni Kuya ilagay ito sa labas. Tomorrow, we will. We're gonna put it here for now.
You need to put a light in it.
Yeah. Where's, we have to find battery. Meron akong white. Yung isa white. Where's the black one, Baba? Ah, you're gonna wear this today, Baba. Wait lang. Where's the...
Is that mine? Yeah.
There's the orange one because I still have the orange one, Kuya.
One small.
Okay, ito yung black.
Spiderweb.
Yeah, spiderweb. Ito yung black.
Orange. Large makeup.
Ay, paano ito, no? Ah! Hala! Shoot, nasira ko. Shoot! Wala pa nga part. Hindi.
You done.
Hinila ko lang siya. Dapat pala kinuha ko na lang yung... Ay, nako. Nag-ayos pa siya ng book niya. Ay, napaka-cheap.
Wait, is that another one?
Hinila ko lang naman.
You got two?
Yeah. Wala na to. Wala na siya, guys.
I'm
Wala
an
na.
expert at technology.
Wow, just technology raw siya. Uy,
My mom,
I
you
broke
snapped the
it.
piece.
Sayang.
Put that one outside too.
Ihang na lang natin siya dito sa aking ano.
Mom, put that outside too.
Oh, ganyan na lang siya, oh.
Mom, we'll put that one outside.
Kita nyo? Ayun siya, nakasabit lang siya dun. Sayang.
Mom, I got it.
Wait, Zach.
Mom, I'm still putting that broken one outside.
Yeah.
Mommy, could
Oh, wait, we'll see.
I want to be selfish with you. I only want to see the truth. I want to eliminate the unnecessary. My vision's never been so clear. You've arrested my...
Wala tayo kasing Ayan, dito na lang. Ayan, kita nyo, guys. Wait lang ha. Lapit ko kayo sa ating munting dekorasyon. Ayan na yung ating Halloween. Ay, may nakasabit pang tea towel. Pinunasan ko kasi yung table. So, ayan na siya, guys. Diba? Very simple. Ayan, may iraraos din natin ang spider web ni Oli na talagang pinahanap niya sa akin. And busy na siya. Aba! What's that? Okay, it's alright.
Wait, where is that caution tape?
Okay. Ayan na si Holly. Ready na ang ating... Ayan siya. Oh, you look so pretty. Okay, ready? So, ilagay na natin yung mga... Lagay ko na dito yung mga...
Can I use this for the food so I don't get dirty hands?
No! That's only for... You don't use this when we make the treats, Baba, because it's gonna get
It's dirty.
dirty.
But what's this?
We're gonna put popcorn.
What are you making?
No, it's just decoration.
Oh, you can wear orange.
Oh, Zach, all of you have to sit here.
Ah. That one's so good. What are you doing? That's fine.
Wait, Baba, we have to put all this stuff there.
What about orange?
Attention.
Make-upan ko sila nito, oh.
Mom, this is different.
Hinahanap pa ni Zach yung isang stool na
Mom,
blue.
look on the back.
What's that? Yeah, but it's not gonna be enough if we're gonna do all this. Ayan yung mga pwedeng gawin dito
I
sa
want a black eye.
face painting na to. Black eye, Kuya. Oh, si Kuya gusto niya lang daw black eye. So, may black tayo. Gawin natin ito kay Kuya.
Because I'm wearing
Si Zach busy pa. Gusto ni Kuya, ayan. Make-upan daw natin si Kuya ng black eye lang.
Mom.
Okay, sit down, Kuya.
All the focus is on you. It doesn't matter what's around us. 'Cause baby, you've got me blind too. All resting my head on your shoulder. You're keeping a tight grip on me. We're wrapped up in honey.
Nahihirapan ako. Ito yung gusto ni Sak na gawin ko. Hindi ko yan kayang gawin. Yan. And meron akong biniling blood, ito yung fake blood. Ayan. No, it's alright. So, i-timelapse ko kayo.
It's so bittersweet. Is this too good to be true? You've arrested my attention. All the focus is on you. It doesn't matter what's around us.
So, ayan na yung itsura ng kanilang mukha. After ko silang paglaruan. Ayan si Sak. Sak, yan yung request ni Sak, na blood.
Mine is
Scars. Okay. Alright, gawin na natin yung dapat gawin natin. Okay, simple lang naman. Gagawa tayo ng pumpkin. Hirap siyang gawin. Ito na lang banana. Gagawa tayong ghost buster.
Yes.
You know how to do this, yeah? We need sultanas or...
Mom.
Wait, I'll get
Not
sultanas.
the eyeballs or the eyes.
We can do it here later, Baba. Ito na lang muna. Okay, forget the broom. Ito na lang.
No, we have to make the broom.
Yeah. So, ikat lang natin yung banana. And then, I'll get sultanas. Wait, kuya. Okay, I have sultanas here.
Cool.
Okay, just put some... Here, yeah. Just put eyes. Like,
Oh my god.
yeah.
Yeah, peel your banana.
Okay, like this. And one here. Baba ako na yan. And then, for the mouth.
Who are gonna kill?
Oh, that looks nice.
What are we doing for the mouth?
Here.
Hold up.
Oh, yeah.
My eye.
Your eye. Si Sak, oh. Ano, Sak? Are you alright there, Sak?
Yeah, I don't know what to do, so you're not giving us instructions.
Here. Instruction. Wow, wala raw. Okay. Do what you want with that one. Just one, kuya. Okay. You can do this, Sak. Eminem. Put the black one. Ayan yung ghost ni
I thought it
kuya.
was better.
So, ayan. Dali lang siya, guys. Ayan, yung kay kuyang gawa. And what else you can put here, yeah?
No, only M&M's has the eyes.
No, yeah, you can do it here.
Okay.
Baba, wrong Baba. This one, no, not there, Baba.
Oh, Mom, we
Here.
haven't cut the bone off.
Here, Baba. Oh. Kinagat ni Holly yung dulo dito, Baba. What's that? No, it's alright, kuya. Okay, next.
Ay!
Ay, sorry. Sorry. Yung broom, pass na tayo dito sa broom. Hindi natin siya nagawa.
Too
Not
hard.
successful, yeah. It's too hard. Okay.
Another orange.
Okay. Make it like a ghost, kuya. And, eto na yung gamitin natin dito.
There you go.
Ayusin natin yung ating camera. Huh? Okay? Is that ghost? Show it to them. Ayan yung nagawa ni Sak sa banana.
I tried my best.
Yes, I know you did. Dito,
Here you go.
you know what? We can make a hat.
How?
How? We're just gonna put this up. Open one. So, kuha lang tayo yung kisses. You're right, Papa? Is that a ghost?
That's the legs.
Oh, that's the legs. Ang ghost my legs kay Holly. What's that, yeah? So, ayan kay Kuya. So, ayan kay Holly.
I want to eat this. Mom,
Wait, Kuya, don't eat
shall
it.
we make it?
Yeah, here, Sak. This is your paste.
Is that, can you eat that?
Yeah, later. Later.
Oh, you're just going to stick it on top.
Yeah, here, like this, Sak. Wala tayong red. Oh, I'm showing
Like the
it to
black
you.
one?
Yeah.
Just in circle?
Yeah. And we can also...
Whoa, so much.
Oh, but it's not perfect. Dapat yung puti sana. Ma-perfect natin. So, madali lang siya, guys.
Mom, done.
Done. Okay, stick it here, yeah. Stick it in here.
Doesn't taste.
Good job. Ayan, show it to them, Sak. This is a hat.
Where's my phone?
Doesn't look like.
Does it look like?
If you just take that.
Doesn't taste nice.
It tastes nice?
It doesn't.
It doesn't?
I'll taste it.
Okay.
I had the.
Hoy. Ay, that's the one, Sak.
Oh.
Ano? Ano? Ano?
Very great.
Huh? Yeah? It's yeah?
Show me your mouth. Oh no!
Come, show it here, Sak. Come, show your tongue.
He's got.
Hala ka, Sak! You got black! Ikaw kasi,
What? I
ka.
got pink.
Na, yeah, a little bit. Are you alright there, Papa?
What is this? Oh.
And dito, pwede tayong gumawa ng, eto yung may, good job, Papa!
Wait, what is this? Is this all it on? Just put
Yeah.
this on. Oh, can I eat that?
You know what? Wait, Kuya. Wait, Baba, that's enough for that one.
Oh.
Why don't we get the
Cannot taste that.
eyeballs?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
In circle again.
Yeah.
Can I
We're
just
gonna-
do one more?
Alright, baby, go here.
Can I have one?
Okay, you can eat. So, ilagay natin dito yung mga tapos na ng mga bata.
Yep.
Okay,
Try
here.
that.
Okay.
I want to do one.
So, we're gonna
Would that
squeeze that one.
be good to eat?
Ayan.
Not eat.
Para siyang, ayan, yung eyes.
Can I eat it?
Ayan, ghost eye.
Can we eat that?
That
Yeah,
means
Kuya.
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
Wait, later na, Baba. We're gonna make it first.
Let's
Okay.
put all the finished ones on one plate.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so
This one.
finished. Mum, look.
Oh, show it to them, Sam.
I didn't use any of that icing.
You didn't?
I used that.
Ah, you used the filling. Okay.
'Cause
That's
I-
alright, Kuya, because that's done.
Oh no, I got a plate.
For you to eat.
No,
What?
I put the food.
What food? Okay, Baba. So, yun lang yung ginawa natin, guys.
Oh,
What's that?
Mommy,
Kuya?
can I eat this?
I love the red.
Alright. You do it, Baba. Si Sak, okay, what are you making, Sak? Si Sak nagkikreate na siya ng sarili niya.
Kuya, don't make me spill.
Okay,
You
I get
can eat
a
that one.
tissue.
Look, Mom.
Yeah?
Look. Put some pokey.
Pokey, pokey, pokey. Creation
Okay.
is... Okay, just put that one here.
We need another plate.
Okay, what else do you think you can make? What's wrong, Baba?
I missed it.
It's alright. Just put it there.
Something with the popcorn.
Something with the popcorn. Can you create anything? What?
I know.
What? What do you think?
I don't know.
I don't know.
So you already have all the ideas.
Yeah, this one. The ghost banana, the pumpkin orange, and the witch hat, and the ghost eye.
But do you have a plan?
No, this is for decoration only, Sak. You alright now, Baba?
Yes.
How about you, yeah?
No,
So, ito yung natapos namin. Very simple, guys. For ano lang, activity ng mga bata ngayong Halloween. Ayan na yung nagawa niya, nagawa namin. You alright there, Sak? Si Sak,
I'm
nag-video siya.
alright.
Ang dami nagawa.
Upside down.
Ang dami nagawa ni Sak na. You made a lot, Sak. Yung eyeballs. Si Kuya. So, yan lang guys yung ating ginawa ngayong palapit na Halloween. You alright?
Nice.
Nice? Let me see. Oh, si Holly. Nakipag-agawa na siya. So, eto lahat.
That one's mine.
Yeah, halos si Sak ang may gawa niyan. Madali lang naman kasi siya. Tapos, eto yung banana ghost. Ayan na yung banana ghost and yung hat.
And then
Which hat? Ha? Hats. Ha? And eto, very simple. Ano lang siya, celery and balatan lang yung mandarin. And, ayan, meron na tayong pumpkin.
That was easy to make.
Ha? So, that's Zaki boy?
This one was the easiest.
Yeah, very
You just
easy.
have to stick on the celery.
That's right. Which one is the hardest one? The broom. The witch broom, yeah.
And the second answer is that.
Yes.
And the last
Finish.
You're done, yeah? Oh, what's that monster? Show me.
And then right now.
Oh, okay. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Huh? How about you, Baba? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Okay. And tomorrow,
Halloween.
Halloween.
I know what mine.
Ano? What? You're done. What? Be creative. Si Kuya, ayan. Meron na siyang na-contribute. Oh, that's nice, yeah? What's that? A stick banana ghost. Yes? How about you, Baba?
Another.
Si Sak, mauubos niya na si, Poki. Ah, good job, Baba.
Just do. Another one.
What you got, yeah? Let me see. Show it to them, yeah. So,
No, I need a smaller one.
let me see. Oh,
one.
the same, but color blue.
I'm making more.
It's alright. Okay, light daw, sabi ni Jan. Ah, oo nga, maliwanag siya pag may light.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dad. Go join, honey. Get some popcorn. Nakaligo na siya. Kanina niya pa yan. Kinukuha yung caramel popcorn. Di ba? Maganda siyang activity para sa mga bata, guys. Let's have pizza, ha?
Hello, Daddy. Let's Daddy.
What's that? Oh, that's nice. So, hinayaan ko na sila kung anong gusto nilang gawin. Stop, show Daddy your tongue. Oh, no, it's alright.
Look. And
What?
half for the popcorn.
What's that?
A half for a popcorn.
A house for a popcorn.
Sorry.
Okay.
Nope, no more.
Okay,
Huh?
You like the caramel popcorn, Han?
yeah.
Yeah. Yung sa Goldilocks, have you tried that one? The Goldilocks in the Philippines? That was good. The caramel. Remember about that one before? What are you doing now, yeah?
None.
Oh, more. Okay. Ano na lang yung ginagawa nilang monster. Iba-ibang klaseng monster eyes.
I'm making your fire.
Ayan si Johnny Boy, kinain na yung
Mom, are you?
banana ghost. Ayun na kay Daddy.
I didn't know banana.
Yeah, the banana ghost.
I'm making your fire. Yeah.
Huh?
Are you on fire?
Daddy.
The blue one, not the yellow one.
Mommy.
No, I like
Yes!
Big
So what do you want?
Mag-fish and chips kami, guys.
I want a cabana.
I want fish hand, please.
Cabana.
Cabana.
I want a bit of mom's fish.
Alright.
I want cabana, a dippy dog.
Yes.
Cabana and Dippy Dog.
I want a
Yeah.
dippy dog corn jack.
Please.
And some of mom's fish.
And a Dippy
Okay.
Dog?
Yeah, and Koja.
Do you want Dippy Dog too, Joe? 3 Dippy Dogs,
I don't
2
want
corn
I don't want
jacks,
I don't want corn.
That's
Just
three
fish.
and
corn
cabana
jacks.
batter.
Three
What do you
corn
want?
jacks.
Just fish.
One
Yeah.
fish.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Corn Jack and a Dippy Dog.
Huh?
Corn Jack and a Dippy Dog. Sorry,
Lahat sila naka-block, oh. Si Daddy naka-block din, nakaligo na yan. Ha?
And your Dippy Dog and a cabana.
Yeah. Right now you're first.
What's that? A tower?
Well, enough.
Oh, well, yeah, I wore about 6 then.
6 o'clock? Okay,
Oh,
ha?
yeah.
Finish this one. Yeah.
This is a your first.
Oh, UFO.
The person in it.
Alright.
Hang on. Are you
Malulobot na ako. Si Sak, kinakain na. Pagdating ni Jan, yung dinner naman namin. So, yan na yung ating Halloween treats. You like it, kids?
Oh, good. No.
You like it? Si Sak, busog na to. Hindi na to kakain. Mamaya. Are you gonna eat your cabana later?
I don't know.
You don't know. Kasi busog ka na.
I got a cabana. I'm not
Yeah.
eating anymore. I'm saving it for tea.
Yeah, tea.
I'm
Yeah.
leaving the table here.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna put it here. And, yeah, I'm gonna clean up. Oh, so, yan na, guys, yung ating Halloween treats. Pagkatapos namin gumawa ng Halloween treats, ayun, inutusan ko yung dalawa kasi naglaba ako, nakalimutan nating isampay kasi na-busy na tayo sa kusina. Yung dalawa ang pinasampay ko. Ayun silang dalawang cute. Yun si Sak. So, yan silang dalawa. Kasi kami ni Holly, naglilinis kami ng aming kalat dito. So, kaming dalawa ni Holly dito sa loob. Sila yung nagsasampay. So, hati ang trabaho sa bahay. Dito na si Johnny Boy and nalinis na namin ni Holly. Magbabacuum na lang ako mamaya. And yeah, yung dalawa, after nila magsampay, nag-kick ng puti. Andun sila. Basta, somewhere there. So, ito yung fish. And si John, may burger siya.
Steak burger.
Steak burger. And meron tayong 4 na kabana, may corn jack, ayun si Holly. Yung dalawa hindi pa yung kakain kasi nga nabusog yun sa ginawa namin kanina. So kagabi, nagluto rin akong fish and chips. Yung chips in order namin. Pero nagluto akong fish at saka calamari. In Instagram ko yun. Insert ko na lang siguro guys. So yan, kain muna kami. What did you say, Kuya?
Lip tattoo.
It's not lip
Yeah, I can take it off.
lip tattoo raw yung nilagay ko sa kanila.
Mine
Ano
fell
yung
off.
blood
Watch,
gel?
watch.
Okay, watch. Okay.
Mine fell off.
Yours? Oh, bilis.
Oh, my hair. Is this one with blood?
Yeah. It's not lip tattoo. Ah, yeah. Pero it's not lip tattoo, Sak. So, i-close na namin yung vlog. Let's close the vlog.
I'll close it.
Yeah, okay, you're gonna close it. Come on, Kuya. So, yun na yung vlog natin for today. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, yeah. See you next vlog.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
I'll see you
Holly.
at Halloween.
Holly
Halloween,
looks bigger with the makeup on in the screen.
Yeah, okay, good night.
Good
Okay, guys,
night.
bye. Thank you.
Just tell me who you see, 'cause I